say if Jindal person give us a 100 crore approaches, first they are telling 70 crore, but now they can increase their amount, the amount goes to 100 crore. So you can see the both sides allegations. Those are the news chain and the other side is the Naveen Jindal chain. So after the listening to both sides, you can see, you can imagine yourself that could be happen if they cannot contact each other. So they cannot asking money and they cannot try to sting operation.
But I'm saying because they are because if you are in a corporate, let's take this issue. If you are in a corporate, like I have a company, I'm a owner of that company. I have to, I have to do some advertisement of industries with the media. On the media, I have to broadcast. So there is a relation. There is a relation between the media and the corporate. But when you are waging the war against the media, so maybe possible that there is some conflict regarding that. Okay, there is some conflict in between you and media. Okay, now because previously you contact with media because you want to broadcast, you have some advertisement in that particular, in the private layer of the G News. That's why you contact. And now you are waging the war against the G News because G News is broadcasting some top secrets, top secrets of the worst top secrets of the corporate. So I am saying that if somebody is broadcasting that, like some other media like CNN or like other media, so because media used to cover so many things, so many things. So media is having the authenticity now or not? We should believe in media or not? This is a big question. First, I would like to ask this thing to Smita. Smita, what do you think about it? That should you believe in media? Now, should you believe in media? Should you believe in the authenticity of media, or media is having the authenticity or not? What do you think about it? Because after this incident, what do you think about it?
We have to believe as if we don't have any option other than this.
Apart from media, government have their news on air also. Apart from media, we have national, okay, and they used to purify. They used to, give crystallized news. Actually, what do you think about it? We have some people who say this. Are you agree with Ms. Sunita that we have no other option against after than media? What do you think? Do you have any afterthought regarding it? Do you have any second thought? Do you have any afterthought regarding it? That Sunita is saying that we have no other option regarding media. So are you agree with it? Are you agree with it? Okay. I'm asking only this thing. Are you agree with it? Miss, you must have to switch up. Because you are sitting with her, so you can't say it. Please. You have to sit with her. Because you are just rival. I just want you to become a rival. If you can't become a rival, how can you debate? I don't know actually. Yeah. And how can you compete with that my English friends? You will see the debate now. They did debate in a very cynical manner. What are you talking about? A chipmunk said yesterday that he didn't get the concept actually. When I said no, I'm not agreeing with him. Yeah, it's a lot actually. You're not agreeing. You will saw the video after the class. I will play a short 2 minutes video. You will see it. How to debate actually? You can't do debate. Why are you sitting in a friendship? You want to improve. You want to improve the market value, or you want to go into a friendship here? Okay. So you're agreeing with Sunita actually.
No, I'm not agree.
How can you say this?
Yeah,
I just want your closing statement. Yeah.
Because we have many opportunities.
You are listening? You're hard of hearing now? Yeah.
Because we have many opportunities.
I just want to broadcast that video in the evening class. So please speak loudly. Unless or until you can't speak in a loud manner, they won't be able to get you.
I am totally disagree with the statement that whatever please
that we have no other option regarding media. So can you give us option?
I have many options regarding this. First is जो
न्यूज़ नहीं आएगा।
न्यूज़ नहीं है। एक तो अभी मुझे हाँ बैठा मुझे और चीज़
Yes, yes, Ms. Radha, you have to compete with that complicated status quo. This is the main reason. You have to overcome with your fear. Yeah.
we should trust media. You don't want to. I
She said earlier that we have no other option apart from media.
So we are as if we are habitual.
I'm coordinating because I'm asking you a question. Because it is answer this because I told my students like me too, that jump, I want to die. You can die because you will get a proper chance to give your comments, but in a hard way. Like you saw the debate, see the debate, Metro Link, come on. You will see there is some professionalism. You got that right now. Okay, so there is a professionalism. You have to adopt some professionalism. Okay, when you will get a chance, I'm coordinating with you because I have to ask the question. Yeah. But when you will get a chance, you will get a proper chance. I will give you a shot. Yeah. I'm not saying that you are believing in media or not. I'm talking about the authenticity. I'm saying, my question is, Sunita, the point of Sunita is that, you have no other option. You have to believe in media. Whatever they are broadcasting, you have to believe in that. You have no other option. I agree that we have no other option. If we will talk about the private sector, if we talk about the private land, we have no other option. Regarding journalism, I'm talking about journalism only. Regarding journalism, you have to believe in the private land and you have no other option. I agree. How can you say this? I'm not saying that you have to oppose always. If you agree, you don't need to oppose. But you have to make a valid point. Okay, I'm not saying that debate, you have to oppose all this. It's not my point. My point is that it doesn't matter whether you are opposing somebody, whether you are with somebody, it doesn't matter. You have to speak out because the main motive is to speak English. Yeah, it doesn't matter whether you are opposing somebody, whether you are with somebody, whether you are coordinating with somebody, it doesn't matter. Because it's not a vacuum deal is going on. We are not doing a private negotiations here to take a decision. Right, it's not a vacuum deal. We just want you to improve ourselves and you don't need to be a rocket science. No, you need to, whatever the point you want to make, you have to clear that point, you have to break it down and you have to be consistent here. You have to be stick with your point. Like yesterday you change your purpose. You have to stick with your point. If I know very well I'm wrong, like after the class, some friends, some folks, they were told me that
yesterday. Otherwise,
maybe possible that there was a confusion. I'm not touching that topic, but I'm just saying that you don't like in the like today. You're in a rocket science. So please don't be in a rocket science. Yeah, you don't need to be in a confusion. Whatever the point you want to make, you have to make it very crystal clear now. You have to be crystallized with your point. Then you have to stick with your point. Yeah. Okay. Just let us know about your closing statement. What is it?
I think it's same thing. We both concern our sponsor each other, and after that decided that we can give you money, and the other side they are also demanding, so that they can analyze the deal, and he asked for money in that, so they will say that person okay, if they are demanding he said it, and we are.
I'm hoping that it's a pre-planned strategy.
Yeah.
It's a pre-planned sting operation which is done.
Both
sides that maybe possible that they gave some amount of money to the GNews employees that we will do a pre-planned operation that we have the professional credibility of GNews and we will enjoy you in the jingle scene. Yeah, so maybe possible it is because there is no authenticity, there is no code of ethics of the journalism. They have to the big words in the media, like Rajiv Sardesai, they have to think of a big words also, but because they just want a TRP. Okay, so everybody is just making money. Everybody is making just this market value. Nobody wants to think about the country. That's the main reason.
Maybe they made another channel, India TV, broadcast a news of a girl murder. Continuously, 72 hours. He go against the India TV and court. Because he is then why you are broadcasting his every time, every day.
Actually, India TV is not having any authenticity on the news. India TV, like the channels, India TV used to say that we can know, you know very well that there is a horror. You can see the horror. We will broadcast the horror on that particular time. Okay, so there is superstitiousness in India TV. I saw it many times, but there is some horror possibilities to get. आप देख रहे हैं ना, मुझे ही देखेगा. But इंडिया रात को 10 बजे अगर आप न्यूज़ हो जाएंगी देखिएगा. आपने मदद किया होगा. This is not in this way. There is actually also jana. What are you talking about? आपकी अदालत, and there's this channel, that channel is having no authenticity, no genuineness. They just want to use the TRP, and that's the third class channel. Indian TV is third class channel in the media.
Channel, I am not talking about channel. I am saying that kind of things previously also happen. Because if you think about yourself, if I am asking you money, so why you give me?
If I have a work, I have to give you.
No.
I don't want to lose the credibility, I have to give you.
A simple question, your electricity bill is higher according to your reading. So you go to the electricity board and ask him to come. They can ask if you want to reduce the amount. They can ask you money. If you don't ask it, then you say, so nobody can ask you money. So there is no.
So bottom line, there is a forward, there is a corruption.
Yeah.
Okay, so you shifted our focus, and you are shifting our focus from the weak Jindal to corruption.
No, Naveen Jindal also involved and GTV is also involved. That is the main point.
This is going on. Why I am discussing this issue in this, extreme appropriateness manner? Because I want them to speak up.
Discussion is a different thing. Discussion is a different thing, but main thing is that.
Let's see the speech. Let's see the short speech of the video.
They increased the demand from 20 crores to 100 crores, and they said that only if we will pay up, they would even show my interview and they would stop to air all the negative stories, untrue stories. They were false stories that they were doing. Right. And obviously, whatever court drops have been allocated to us, they're all on merit. Right. We are very sure about it, and then
our all documents is on merit. Our all documents is not investigation. Clear? So
No, same question is asking by the Rajiv Desai. Same question is
Your sister, na?
asking.
Your sister, na? Why are you not sitting here?
Same question is
Guys, I just want to give priority business. I just want to take priority of the business that they have to complete. Don't take it, don't talk apart. Here, you have to wait out results for the competition, and you will feel so shameless when you will lose the best because they are working hard, seriously, and they are good enough to compete with you. And if you won't be able to speak the line, and if you will use the wrong grammar, and somebody will say, "Ah, तुमने ये कितना ये बोल दिया," आप तो वही बात कर रहे हो. So you won't be able to compete with the situation. No, compete with the situation. You have to realize that somebody is your rival who is waiting for you in the competition, and you are not having a very long time to prepare yourself for the competition. That's it. Because it's an internal, I just want to organize an internal poll ball. Then I will organize an institute poll. Our institute will throw challenge for the institute that you can indulge, you can just do debate with in our premises or in your premises, you can just indulge the debate. So we just want to organize the debate, corporate debate, or corporate issue debate. It's a very huge concept. It's a very not in a crowd, but it's a very silent mode. We will broadcast our because we believe in our authenticity, but we are whatever the facility we are providing to our students, that is good enough to compete with any status quo. Okay, so you have to be correct. Doesn't matter if you lose the battle with any institution. Doesn't matter, but you will gain some experience regarding that. If India will play a match with Pakistan, doesn't matter that they are losing or not. No, because this is a game. Winning and losing is just a part of the game. So you don't need to, you don't need to be depressed. You don't need to be in a great depression actually. Yeah. So the main thing is that you have to prepare yourself. Because I don't want you, Ms. Radha and Ms. Singh, and Ms. Sunita, you also, that and Mr. Suresh, to you also, that you will go in great depression in front of a child that they are sitting in a very extreme manner and they are very confident in this thing in front of you, and we won't be able to speak with a single line of English, and you will say that, I am feeling very helpless, that's what you are doing. So I just want you, some words, the typical words, some grammar, sentence structure, you will use some auxiliary verbs, because it would be possible for you to speak out when you will try to, and it's a practice session going on, it's net practice of the field. You play a match after some couple of days, and I can just give you a deadline that within 10 days I will organize a war in between you and the child. I know very well that they will win because you are not competing. But if you will go through because you've been through earlier with a very complicated situation, if you will go through in a very with a computer structure and with English, and you will prepare yourself and you will be able to compete with them. This is the main reason, because I just want a war. You present students. Okay, only 4 participants, 2 from the morning session, 2 from the evening session will participate. Clear? And I will decide who is the best in the morning. Then I will give them a card that you can participate and you have to come in that. Then there will be video coverage, and both the evening students and morning students will see the video coverage. Then you will realize that where you are lacking actually. Where you are lacking right now. But they are too excited. They are too excited because they are too excited more that they will beat you. They will lose, you will lose the battle and they will win. And you know about the confidence level and about the restlessness of the child. So, they will shake you up like a mango shake. So, don't be overconfident, don't be overconfident that you will win. Just as jokes apart, you have 10 days countdown. Right.
So we have to come forward and expose extortionist behavior. You are calling it extortion. You are saying the initiative for asking for 100 crores for removing anti-gender stories came from Z. There was no attempt made by you to strike a bargain.
There was no attempt made by you to strike a bargain. There is no attempt made by you to strike a bargain, to strike a negotiation. Bargaining करने का तो ख्याल वो आपने नहीं किया, वो उन्होंने किया. आपने नहीं किया, उन्होंने किया.
Obviously, and we have all the proof. We have all the recordings of 13th September, of 17th September, and 19th September.
We have all the recordings of 13th September, 17th September, and 19th September.
We should prove it beyond doubt. And today, what we have done